Hello everyone. This week's focus is US 500. US equities continue to defy uncertainty with one of the strongest earnings season in the last 4 years. We have over 85% of S&P 500 companies beating Q3 estimates so far. Let's check the technicals. The US 500 has broken above the upper boundary of its rising channel, confirming buyers are still in control. But at the same time, the tone in the market is becoming more selective. Expectations show a sharp slowdown in Magnificent Seven earnings, suggesting leadership may begin to broaden beyond mega cap tech. Positive, but potentially more volatile for the index. And this breakout comes with overbought signs. Prices are now trading above the upper Bollinger Band, which confirms strong bullish momentum, but also signals the market is getting a bit stretched in the short term. RSI still below 70 but getting closer to overbought condition, so a pullback or retest of the upper boundary of the rising channel wouldn't be surprising. Even to 6,800, it lines up with the recent gap. When markets break higher with a gap, it's common to see a retest of that level before the trend continues and could offer a healthier entry point if momentum pauses. Below that, 6,700 to 6,600 keeps the broader uptrend intact. Key resistance zones I'm watching 6,900, the breakout zone, staying above keeps bulls in control. Then we have 7,000 point, the next psychological target. Bottom line, the trend is bullish but stretched. Strong earnings have fueled the rally, but tightening liquidity conditions may ultimately decide how far it can run in the near future.